Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best GSP 600 is probably one of the most sought-after gaming headsets on the market, and for good reason, as it delivers an exceptional audio experience coupled with remarkable comfort, making it a top contender for gamers who demand both performance and endurance during long play sessions. This headset aims to redefine your gaming immersion with its superior sound quality and ergonomic design, ensuring that every footstep, explosion, and whisper is heard with crystal clarity, all while keeping you comfortable through marathon gaming marathons. Number 5. EPOS Sennheiser GSP 600 Gaming Headset. Experience incredibly clear sound with superb dynamics and deep bass. German-engineered transducers deliver an immersive audio experience for your games. Enjoy your game without distractions. Its closed-back design and ergonomic ear cushions provide excellent passive noise reduction. Communicate with your teammates flawlessly. The broadcast-quality microphone ensures your voice is heard clearly, even in loud environments. Achieve the perfect fit for extended gaming sessions. The adjustable headband with customizable contact pressure ensures personalized comfort. Connect and play seamlessly across your favorite platforms. It's designed for PC, Mac, Xbox, and PS4. Elevate your gaming with professional-grade audio. This headset is built for performance and endurance. What we like. Experience unparalleled audio fidelity with German-engineered Sennheiser transducers, delivering exceptional clarity and deep bass. Its closed-back design offers superior passive noise isolation, perfect for immersive gaming sessions. If you're looking for a premium wired headset that prioritizes sound quality and a secure, comfortable fit for long hours of play, this is the one for you. What people say. The ear cups are made of a soft, breathable material that keeps your ears cool during long gaming sessions. The microphone is crystal clear and picks up your voice without any background noise, making it perfect for team communication. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy metal headband and durable ear cups that feel like they will last for years. Number 4. EPOS Sennheiser GSP 500 Gaming Headset. Experience unparalleled audio clarity and deep bass response, thanks to German-engineered transducers. You'll hear every detail with superb dynamics. Communicate with your team without distractions. Its broadcast-quality microphone cuts out background noise and features a convenient flip-to-mute function. Enjoy a personalized fit with the new headband design. Adjustable contact pressure ensures maximum comfort for extended gaming sessions. Easily adjust your game's audio on the fly. The intuitive volume control wheel is conveniently located on the ear cup for quick adjustments. Connect to all your favorite platforms. It's compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, Xbox One, and other consoles with a 3.5mm jack. What we like. Enjoy a wider soundstage and natural audio with its open acoustic design, ideal for those who prefer a less isolating listening experience. The convenient flip-to-mute microphone ensures clear communication without interrupting your game. If you value an open sound profile and easy microphone management for a more relaxed gaming atmosphere, consider this headset. What people say. The ear cups are comfortable and the headband is adjustable. The microphone is clear and picks up voice well. The sound quality is excellent, with good bass and clear highs. Number 3. Geekria Comfort Hybrid Velour Replacement Earpads. Is your Sennheiser headset feeling worn out? Give it a new life with our premium replacement earpads. They're designed for ultimate comfort and durability. Crafted with high-quality memory foam and soft velour, these earpads provide exceptional comfort. Enjoy long-lasting wear and a truly immersive audio experience. Specifically designed to fit Sennheiser GSP 600, 601, 602, 670, and 500 models. Replace your old ear cups easily and restore that brand new look. Revitalize your headphones with these durable ear cushions. The package includes 2 replacement ear pads, making the upgrade simple and effective. Don't let worn-out ear pads diminish your audio quality. Our replacement cushions ensure a comfortable and secure fit, bringing back the clarity and comfort you love. What we like. Revitalize your existing headset with these premium replacement ear pads, crafted from high-quality memory foam and velour. They are designed to directly replace worn-out cushions, giving your headset a fresh look and feel. If your current ear pads are uncomfortable or damaged and you want to extend the life of your favorite headset, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The ear cups are comfortable and the headband is adjustable, making it suitable for long gaming sessions. The microphone provides clear audio for voice chat and is also detachable when not in use. The sound quality is excellent, with a good balance of bass and treble, enhancing the gaming experience. Number 2. EPOS Sennheiser GSP 602 Gaming Headset. Experience professional-grade gaming audio with the GSP 602. Its closed acoustic design offers high-fidelity sound and superior passive noise reduction, immersing you in the game. Our advanced EPOS engineered speakers deliver exceptional realism and audio fidelity. Gain greater in-game awareness and enjoy a truly immersive audio experience. Achieve peak performance with exceptional bass, detailed sound, and acoustic clarity. Get the precise positional and communication audio essential for gaming victory. Designed for extended wear, its memory foam ear pads keep you cool and comfortable. The adjustable headband ensures a superior, personalized fit for any head shape. Be heard loud and clear with the broadcast quality, noise-canceling microphone. Ensure precise team communication without distracting background noise. Easily position the microphone for optimal voice pickup. Simply raise the boom arm to mute yourself instantly, keeping you focused on the game. What we like. Immerse yourself in professional gaming with its high-fidelity sound and advanced speaker system, offering exceptional realism and awareness. The memory foam ear pads ensure cool comfort during extended sessions, while the flexible boom arm mic provides clear communication. If you're a competitive gamer seeking an audio edge and long-lasting comfort, this headset is built for performance. What people say. The ear cups are comfortable and the headband is adjustable, making it suitable for long gaming sessions. The microphone quality is excellent, with clear voice transmission and effective noise cancellation. The sound quality is immersive, providing a rich and detailed audio experience for gaming and music. Number 1. WC Freeze EPOS H6 Pro Cooling Gel Earpads. Upgrade your audio sessions with our cooling gel ear pads. Designed for lasting coolness and comfort, they feature dual-layer cooling gel and a breathable hybrid material. These earpads are specifically designed for EPOS H6 Pro and various GSP headsets only. Ensure a perfect fit and enhanced comfort by choosing earpads made exclusively for your headset. Enjoy more thickness than original earpads, providing extra space inside the ear cup. Premium materials ensure long-lasting, crack-free comfort for extended listening sessions. Revitalize your headset's sound performance with our dual-layer cooling gel and improved memory foam. They conform to your ear, blocking noise for a truly immersive audio experience. Replacing your old ear pads is a breeze. A detailed video guide will walk you through the simple steps, making the process smooth and hassle-free. What we like. Upgrade your comfort with these cooling gel ear pads, featuring dual-layer technology and a breathable hybrid fabric for lasting coolness. They offer enhanced thickness and improved sound isolation for a more immersive audio experience. If you often experience discomfort or heat during long gaming sessions and want to significantly boost your headset's comfort and sound quality, these are a must-have. What people say. The ear cups are comfortable and provide good passive noise isolation. The microphone is clear and picks up voice well, even in noisy environments. The build quality feels solid and durable, with premium materials used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.